Hi guys and welcome back to your channel. Today I'm gonna show you the tutorial of how you can get the best output from ChatGPT when you are writing a rewriting a email. Okay, maybe it's a call email, maybe it's a friendly email, maybe it's a client email or anything, any email you want. Just use this anatomy to create the perfect output. So in case I want to tell you, there is a two way you can use ChatGPT to get a perfect to get an output. First, a normal output. Just you need to copy the already written email or email you want to improve. Then copy that and paste ChatGPT and say improve this and blah 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 and then send. Then the ChatGPT will send an a normal kind of output. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's a normal output. Second, you can use this anatomy to create the perfect output, the effective output that achieved you achieve with its full potential. Okay, to get that output and use that output and send a good and amazing letter to your client or anything. That's the second way, get the full potential of the GPT. Okay, I'm going to show you the both ways so you can get a clarify about how this anatomy helps you in your email. Okay, now then let's talk about the anatomy of ChatGPT prompting. Okay, there is four structure you need to remember. Okay, first goal, second written format, third warning, and fourth context dump. This is the structure you need to follow when creating a prompt. Okay, let's explain deep. Okay, first is goal. Define what you want ChatGPT to achieve. For example, here, make my email more formal while keeping it friendly. That's the main goal. You can change it may be very in different way, but you should always put the goal first while creating a prompt. Remember that. Okay, after that we have return format. Specify how you want to respond the structure. Example, provide two variants like one short and one detail. So the return format is important as well because this is where ChatGPT will give an think and give the form return more effectively. Like maybe you want something in columns or in two columns, or maybe you want something in in emojis and etc, something like that. There should be adding that should be added in the return format structure. Okay, that should be in second after that goal. Okay, first return the goal, second the return format. Like if I'm adding emoji is important, then give importance to add details about the emoji. Okay, second third, warning, give clear structure on what sorry okay give clear instructions on what to avoid. Example, do not change the main message or tone too much. This is something you should think for yourself, like how you should your email sound like, or not be sound like, or something you need to avoid because of the recent activity in your company or something like that. Should be one ggt beforehand to create a better output, so that it can take that in matter to create a good output. After that there is content dump. This is where you can add the email you already written, or the detail you need to add. Also the details you need to add about your company should be go here. Okay, add anything and everything you need, or maybe something simple as that about yourself can be added here. Okay, that's it. This way you can create a perfect prompt and use this anatomy better. So let's get into action. Now then, let's do some action. First, let's open the ChatGPT I opened here, and now let's just say hi, because I don't wanna start with saying do this and do that. I just don't want that to be that kind of person to ChatGPT, because I wanna show that. These are people in earth like. What am I saying? No. Okay, let's say hi. I said hi, and she replied like, "Hi, how it's going?" So I'm gonna say that I copy and paste the a email I want to improve, and rather than just saying empty, say let's say something like, improve this. This is the output we get from a normal improve prompt, like just saying improve, and that's it. Saying that this is what the output that ChatGPT give. Now let's see how the adding an anatomy of ChatGPT to Newton ChatGPT to see how it change the output and perspective. Okay, let's chat. Okay, now let's see. Now create a new chat, and let's improve that. Let's start with hey. Okay, it's replied. Then let's copy and paste what I already written. The goal is make the email more professional, clear, and short, concise, short, while keeping it friendly. And then written format. Provide two versions actually. The short and to the point, and polite with more context. Inclusion and information. Then warning. Keep the tone professional yet friendly. Ensure the request is clear. Do not change the purpose of the email. Contact some original email. I added the original email here. Okay, that's it. Let's see. Okay, should we adjust the email time in case of some people unavailable? Also, this is a topic we discussed last time that we should revisit. Let me know your thoughts. This is the professional. That is the consistent version, concise version, and this is the detailed version. Is I want to check if you should consider adjustment in the meeting time, as some attendees might be unavailable. Additionally, there is a topic from the last discussion that we should revisit. Through I can't recall the specifics. Let me know what works the best for you. Looking forward to thoughts. That's the detailed version. Okay, this is the output we received from adjusting the anatomy of the prompt anatomy, and this is a text we got from just normal prompt while improving the text, normal text. Okay, see the difference. Change a lot from what we have thought. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can construct a structure the prompt and make the output more clear and effective. Okay, now this is your time to create something, create a prompt, um, and use structure with this four main goal, written format, warning, and content dump to maximize ChatGPT potential and get a good output. You need to get a reply. And if you like this video, please like this button, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the anatomy and structure, and how it help you in the comments. So I'll be waiting. Thank you for watching. See you later.